How to fix lag spikes in games on Windows. For the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Now we're going to close this out. Now you want to right click on your network adapter and then click on properties. Then you want to click on power management. You want to find allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once we're here, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter. Now you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset and then click on enter again. Now you want to type in ipconfig space / release, click on enter. Next, ipconfig space / renew, click on enter. Lastly, ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer. Now you want to restart your router. Turn off your router, wait for at least 30 seconds, then you want to turn it back on. You want to wait for the connection to fully return before testing your game. The single best way to reduce ping and lag spikes is to get an Ethernet cable if you don't have one already. Make sure that you're using an Ethernet cable.